Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to keep track of your purchases on the Zara application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon down below, which is the fourth one. Now select the section saying purchases, and now at this page all of your purchases are available to you. You can see more information by clicking on the relevant one. Here you can see the date of delivery, the price, and you can even see store information, view invoices, or the e-ticket. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.